can we be together all the
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make crispy fried Brussels sprouts. Oh my goodness, Brussels sprouts are some of my favorite veggies, and they're going to be light and airy but crispy, not greasy and heavy. So you need to pay attention so you can get yours nice, light, and crispy too. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back, so let's go over our ingredients. Now, as usual, they'll all be in the description with the exact measurements so you can make these fried Brussels sprouts. No, these crispy fried Brussels sprouts in your kitchen too. Okay, star of the dish, our Brussels sprouts. Now they have been washed, cleaned, and trimmed. I just trimmed them down a little bit so that the ends won't be so long sticking out, and they're kind of uniform. You're going to need some flour. You're going to need some seltzer water, ice cold seltzer water. That is one of the key ingredients to getting them light, airy, and crispy. And if you don't have seltzer water, you can just use ice water, but just make sure it's super cold. Even if you have to put water in a cup and put some ice in it and let it sit, it needs to be ice cold. I cannot stress that enough. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and I'm putting a little of red hot seasoning in here. This is just a little hot blend that I like. You can use some cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, or anything that you would like to put in yours, or nothing at all. I'm only going to put a dash in it because I don't want them hot. I just want to give it a little kick. Okay, all right, I'm going to bring you guys in closer so we can get our batters mixed up. Okay, you're going to need to have two bowls, one for dry and one for wet. So the first thing you want to do is put flour in both of your dishes. Okay, now we're going to season them both up just the same. Onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and the red hot pepper. Okay, you want to stir them up both. Pick a bowl, any bowl, and add your seltzer water to it. This is creating your nice, light, crispy batter. Pour a little bit in a time because you can't take it out, but you can add more. Now, one of the key things to making sure you have nice, crispy, light, and airy fried vegetables is to make sure your skillet is nice and hot at 350 degrees. Use a thermometer if you need to. And I already have my skillet heating up over at the stove. So now that we have these mixed, we are going to go ahead and head on over. Meet you there. Before we head on over, guys, one more thing I forgot to add in here is my thyme leaves. I like to add in a few thyme leaves. That's a flavor profile that I particularly like when I am frying. I add it to most of my batter. So if you like that flavor profile, add it in. If not, you can skip that step and we're ready to head on over. Okay, so our oil is just about up to temp. So give your batter one more stir and keep your water handy because as you batter, you may need to thin it back out again. So we have our Brussels sprouts right here. So the only thing we're going to do, make sure your hands are absolutely clean. Put them in the flour first. You can do it in batches. It's always best to work in batches. But we're going to flour them up really good here. Okay, so we are actually going from the flour into the batter and back into the flour again. So it's 3 times flour, batter, back into the flour again. Then drop them into your, well, don't drop them, but put them into your hot oil. And as usual, when you are frying, do not crowd your skillet.
Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching.
Make sure you have a cooling rack with a paper towel under it, ready to take them out. Okay, so these are ready to come out. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Don't they look amazing? Ooh.
Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colors, right.
Okay, we're going to get this second batch done, and I'll be back. We'll cut one open so you guys can see the inside. You're all done. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to bring you guys in. We're going to do a taste test, and I'm going to cut one open so that you guys can see it nice, close, and in person. Oh my goodness. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. Okay, let me bring you guys in. Guys, let's cut one open so you all can see exactly how they look inside. Oh my goodness. See how crispy that is? Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness. Can you see how crispy that is? Or did you hear how crispy that is? Look at the inside. See how it adheres to the actual Brussels sprouts? Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and do a taste test. Okay, guys, I actually cut me another one open because I know they're going to be amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you all can hear the crunch, but I do. And look, guys, look again. See, they're not greasy or anything. They are just delicious. You have got to make you some. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and do me the biggest favor ever and share it out. I don't know if anybody else is going to get any of these. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. It means so much to me that you all are here, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you to all my subscribers. Oh my goodness. Guys, I love you. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to tell everybody you know, family, friends, foes, yell it out your back door, that Pam at Cooking at Pam's Place is over here making easy, simple, made from scratch dishes that you can make in your kitchen too. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Delicious.